Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make an origami stool. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it into two equal halves and press it well. Now open it and repeat this step from the other side and press it. Now from this side, press it well. And now from the third one, repeat this step. Alright, now fold the corners towards the centers. Press it well. Now from the fourth side, open it and fold the corner towards the crease. Again fold it. Then from the second side, then the third one, and finally the fourth. Turn it. Now fold triangle towards the center from one side, then from the second one, press it well. Now from the third side and subsequently the fourth one, press it. Equalize all the corners. Now, open the folds as shown and give it a heart type shape. Press it well. Now fold the corners. The second side. Now from the third one and finally the fourth. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials like this. You may share this video with your friends, family members and relatives. Now open and fold it from the second side as shown. Fold it inwards. Now from the other side, repeat the step. Now fold downwards and open it. And it's done. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.